Welcome back to the channel. Got the 3500 again, the automatic. We're gonna shoot some heavy metal out of it. These are number 4s. I really didn't like these at all in the pump. I'm gonna try it in the automatic, same choke that I had in the pump, but just see if it's different. Let's see what it looks like at 40 yards. All right, 3-inch, number 4s, heavy metals, 40 yards. All right, so the heavy metal number 4s, let's cut that up. Yep, it's got flaxseed in it. Hey, it looks like it's got more flaxseed than it does shell. All right, again, these heavy metals. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comment. Does these work in your gun? Because the price of these 5 is twice what them Winchester and the Remington Nitros are, and this is pretty bad. It might just not like my gun, it might not like them chokes, but you got a better chance of just throwing the gun at the turkey than this. But that's just my opinion. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time. Also, these look to be more out of round. These are not perfectly smooth. They kind of look like, per the box, it's got some kind of non-toxic coating over it, so I'm wondering if there's steel up under it, but you can definitely see a line where they're put together. But now you know.